Welcome to my channel, where we make learning easy and fun. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of learning C++ language. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced programmer, this guide will help you understand the fundamentals of C++. Learning a programming language can be challenging, but C++ is a powerful language that can be used for a wide range of applications. In this video, I'll break down the learning process into simple steps, share best practices, tips and tricks to help you master C++ in no time. Part 1. Getting started. Install a C++ compiler, e.g., GCC, Clang, and an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio Code or Code Blocks. Part 2. Basic C++ syntax. Learn about variables, data types, and basic input-output operations. Understand control structures such as if-else statements, loops, while, for, and switch case. Part 3. Functions and scope. Learn how to create and call functions, including function prototypes. Understand variable scope and the differences between local and global variables. Part 4. Arrays and pointers. Explore arrays and their usage for storing multiple values. Understand pointers and their role in memory management and manipulation. Part 5. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Learn the principles of OOP, classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Practice creating classes, constructors, destructors, and member functions. Part 6. STL and Standard Library. Get familiar with the C++ standard library and its containers, vector, map, etc. Learn to use algorithms and functions provided by the STL. Part 7. File I/O and exception handling. Understand file input-output operations in C++. Learn about exception handling to manage errors and unexpected situations. Part 8. Templates and generic programming. Explore templates to create generic classes and functions. Understand how to use template functions and classes effectively. Part 9. Memory management. Learn about dynamic memory allocation with new and delete operators. Understand smart pointers, unique_ptr, shared_ptr, for safer memory management. Part 10. Advanced concepts. Dive into advanced topics like lambda expressions, multithreading, and concurrency. Explore C++ 11, C++ 1.4, and C++ 1.7 features for modern C++ development. Part 11. Projects and practice. Work on small projects to apply what you've learned. Contribute to open source projects or work on personal projects to gain practical experience. Part 12. Online resources and communities. Join online C++ communities and forums to ask questions and learn from others. Use online tutorials, courses, and documentation to deepen your knowledge. Remember, learning C++ or any programming language takes time and practice. Don't hesitate to experiment and build projects to reinforce your skills. Good luck on your C++ learning journey. With our tips and tricks, you'll master C++ in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and guides like this.